Good morning, class. Today's topic is can and can't for ability. Okay. So we have these two verbs. These two verbs actually talk about ability. I'm gonna give you an example now. I can play the guitar. Okay, that's something I can do. Like I can play a guitar. See, I'm playing a guitar. I can teach English. This is what I'm doing to you. Okay, so this is an example of affirmative. Okay, so this is an affirmative sentence. Okay, that's when I can, like positive. So can for positive or affirmative. Again, so this is can and can for ability. Now, I'm going to make a sentence for the negative, the opposite, or affirmative. So, example. I can't play soccer. Okay? I can't play soccer. Why? Because I have these problems. See? So I cannot walk easily. So I have problems. So that means I cannot play. It hurts. Ouch. You know? I can't play soccer. That means negative. Okay? So that's basically it. Can you use for positive or affirmative. Can't you use for negative or can do. Nothing. No puedo. Okay? So see, this is can and can't. Now, let's talk about pronunciation because pronunciation is very important. Repeat after me, please. Repeat after me. Can. This is affirmative. Now repeat this. Can't. Positive, negative. Affirmative, negative. And that's it. Now, this is a contraction. This is a contraction form. In some books, in some textbooks, in some anything that you probably go through, like a video or something that you put the closed captioning. Have you ever seen when you go to YouTube or Netflix, there's this box that says CC? That stands up for closed captioning, and the letters popped up. Can't, you're gonna see as the contraction form. But if you don't want to see the contraction form, can translates into can not. Cannot or can't are the same. So they are the same. They're equal. Okay? That's basically it. Another thing that whenever you use can or can for ability, the verb does not change. Example, I can say I can play soccer. I can play the guitar. But now let's talk about, this is a small review. Now, if I want to conjugate it, now remember these are the subjects. Subject pronouns. This is a small review. Now let's go back a little bit. So we have I, you, he, she, and it. These are for singular. Now here, I'm gonna put you, we, and they. These are for plural. Okay? Now, this is just a review, but I'm going to conjugate it with can or can for ability. Okay? Now, if I want to make a sentence, I can use I, then can. So I'm going to make another example. I want to use with I, and then I'm going to use with he, and then with one of these. I'm going to use two of here and two of here. So I'm going to use two singulars and two plurals. Example. You can read a novel. You can read a novel. Okay, affirmative. Now I'm going to use another one like this. She can dance salsa. She can dance salsa. She can dance salsa. Okay? Now you see that the verb can or can does not change. So here, typically, when it's about the simple present, the verb changes or add an S. Right? Remember that? Here, you don't need it. Can applies with everyone. So you can use, for singular, you can use can. For plural, you can use can. Or you can use the negative one too. Can't or can't. It doesn't change. You can use can or can for all the subject pronouns. You don't need to add an S. You don't need to put an S to the verb. The verb can or can does not change. Okay, that's basically it. Thank you. I hope you like it.